Good evening, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss two topics, electric potential and potential difference from chapter 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. First I will discuss the topic electric potential. Okay. So electric potential is simply called potential. To understand this topic, here I am going to draw one diagram. See the diagram. At point O, we place a positive source charge, and from infinity we bring a test charge and place at point A, and this Q0 is the test charge. Remember, the value of source charge is much greater than the value of test charge. Okay. This source charge exerts force on test charge towards right. Okay. To bring this test charge from infinity to point A, we have to do some work. For that one, we have to exert some external force against the electrostatic force due to source charge. Okay. The work we did to bring the charge from infinity to point A upon this test charge against the electrostatic force due to source charge is known as potential. Okay. So how can I define the term electric potential? See the definition. Electric potential at any point of an electric field is defined as work done per unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. Okay. Against electrostatic force. Okay. So this is the definition of electric potential. Mathematically, electric potential can be written as potential, notation of potential is V. So written as V equal to work done by test charge. W is the work done, Q0 is the test charge. It is a scalar quantity. Okay. SI unit is volt. Also, you can write upper is W, numerator is W, denominator is Q. Okay. So it can be written as joule per coulomb. Again, work means force into displacement, and denominator is Q, so it can be written as Newton meter per coulomb. Okay. So these are the units. So remember this formula for numerical question. Okay. Next topic, potential difference. To understand this topic, here I am going to draw one diagram. See the diagram. At point O, we place a positive source charge and we consider 2 points A and B. At point A, we consider potential is VA. At point B, potential is VB. And we displace a test charge from A to B. So this Q0 is the test charge. So from this diagram it is very much clear the potential at B is more than the potential at A. Okay. So we know source charge is much greater than the test charge. So source charge exert force towards left right now. Okay. To displace this test charge from A to B, we have to exert some external force. Okay. Now to work from A to B upon this test charge, we have to exert external force against the electrostatic force due to source charge. The work we did from A to B upon this test charge against the electrostatic force due to source charge is known as potential difference between points A and B. Okay. Now how can you define the term potential difference? See the definition. Potential difference between any 2 points of an electric field is defined as work done per unit positive test charge in moving a unit positive charge from one point to the other against electrostatic force of field irrespective of path followed. Okay, this is the definition of potential difference. So this definition, now the mathematical formula of potential can be written as, so as I mentioned, the B point has more potential than point A, so it can be written as VB minus VA equal to work done from point A to B upon test charge Q0. Okay, this is the formula of potential difference. Okay, remember this formula for numerical question. Okay, thank you, take care, stay safe.